It is 2026, and if this is your first time hearing the word Forex, or you've heard about it before, but then you are starting out trading in this year, then this video is best for you, because in this video today, we are going to be discussing everything that you need to know about trading, from how to open a trading account, how to execute trading strategies, and almost everything that you need to know about trading. Although this video is not going to be making you profitable, but then it's going to open your eyes to what you are getting yourself into. So let's dive in. But before we do that, kindly subscribe to the channel.
So this video will be divided into 7 parts. The first part will be what is forex trading, the meaning of forex trading, and the second part will be the forex terms and terminologies. The third part will be on forex apps, that is, which app to use for trading and how to use them correctly. And the fourth part will be how to analyze the charts for clear and clean direction of the market. And the fifth part will be on forex strategies and concepts. And the sixth part will be the forex risk, that is your risk management and risk ratio reward. And the last part, which is the seventh part, will be on trading psychology. So make sure you watch this video to the end, don't skip any part of it, because at the end of the day you'll be able to know everything about forex trading. Now to the first part, which is forex trading. Forex means a foreign exchange, and trading is the buying and selling of goods and services with the primary aim of making profit. And we have different types of the market. We have future, we have forex, we have stock, we have crypto, and many more. But in this video we'll be focusing on forex, which is foreign exchange, that is buying and selling of currency pairs. So now let's go to the board so that you can do the description of it, so that you can understand it better.
So right now we are here on the board, so let's do the description of this for better understanding. So before we can buy and sell currency, we need to have at least two currency that will be paired against each other. So for this example, let's use USD NGN. USD NGN. USD here means US dollars. US dollars. Then this NGN, it means Nigerian Naira. Naira. So for this, now we have two currency. Before we can be able to, like, if we buy this USD NGN, what we mean here is that US dollar as at that moment has much more value than Nigerian Naira. So if I want to like take a trade and then I buy USD NGN, I go for a buy here, it means for this currency it has to like continue going up, and if it continues going up, then I'll be making money. But then if it comes down, then I'll be losing money. That is forex trading, as simple as that. So it is the value of each currency pairs that will determine if price will go up or come down. So for this example now that we have here USD NGN, once you go onto your chart, you'll be seeing pairs paired like that against each other. Sometimes it will be USD CAD, which is United States dollars versus Canadian dollar. So the price, the value of these currency pairs will determine if they will be going up or coming down as at that moment. And your own understanding of them, like your technical understanding, being able to like analyze them, will tell you if you are going to be buying or you are going to sell as at that moment to make money. That is how to make money from forex trading. That is the definition of forex trading. Trading currency pairs, countries' currency, pairing them against each other and then trading them, buying or selling. If I buy this currency pair, it means that I'm saying as at that moment USD has much more value than NGN. But if I sell this currency pair, it means that NGN has much more value than USD. It means I want USD to fall and then I'll be making money. But then if I buy, it means USD has more value than NGN, and then if it goes up, then I'll be making money. That is the definition of forex trading. Now that we are done with this, let's go on to part 2 of this video, which is forex terms and terminologies.
Now that we already know the meaning of forex trading, which is buying and selling of currency pairs, so let's move on to the second part, which is forex terms and terminologies. And for us to understand this better, we'll be using the board for the description of it. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in.
So the topic is forex terms. Now, in forex trading, the terms that we have here, The first one is currency pairs, because in trading, in forex trading, what we trade is currency pairs. So we have currency pairs, currency pairs. As we all know, currency is what we like spend in our own in different countries. Like in America, we spend like they spend like US dollar. Then in New Zealand, they spend like New Zealand dollar. Then in Australia, they spend Australian dollar. In Japan, they spend like Japanese yen. So this is what is called currency. But when they say currency pairs, it means like combining two currency together to like weigh their strengths and weaknesses. That is, if you want to like bring two pairs together, the one that has higher value comes first, then the next one with lesser value comes next. For like this example now, we have USD and then NZD. If you want to pair this, we first going to like consider which one has the highest value. NZD has higher value than USD. Then we have NZD USD. So this is currency pair, but this is just a currency. So this is what we trade in forex trading. Then for this one, we have AUD and USD. We have AUD USD because AUD has much more value than US dollar. Then for Japanese yen and US dollar, dollar has more value than yen. So we have USD JPY. So these three are currency pairs, but for this one, we have it just as currency. Hope you guys understand. So let's move on to the next one. Next one we have is quote, base and quotes in trading. So we have base slash quote pair. So in trading, in currency, like after we have currency pair like USD JPY, one of these is called base and then the second one is called quote. The one that comes first is the base currency, then this is the quote. This one will be the base, then this is quote. Hope we all understand. So this has higher value. The one with highest value come as base, then the second one is the quote. Hope you guys understand. So with this, let's go on to the next forex terms. Now the next forex term that we have is bid and ask price. Bid slash ask price. Now in trading, when pairs are paired like that side by side, like let's say for example we have USD JPY, there will be price that you want to like buy from or like sell from. That is what is called price, right? Then if you open your MT5, you see that there are two lines there in that like price. We have one is red and then the other one is like green. So it is this line that is called the bid and ask price. The green one is called bid, while the red one is called ask price. That is the meaning of bid and ask price in trading. So after this, we have the next one we have is spread. So if you open your MT5 and then you see this bid and ask price, there is a gap in within both of them, like there's a gap between them. So this gap is what is known as spread. This is a system like in which brokers they used to like make money. So this spread, it's kind of like widening more during market open or during high impact news like FOMC and stuff like that. It's kind of like widening more, so that brokers they tend to use this means to like make their own money. The space between this bid and ask price is what is called spread. This is the fourth forex term that we discussed here. Now the third one is bid and ask price, the fourth one is spread. So let's go on to the next one. So earlier we said spread is a system whereby brokers make money, but then what is broker? Broker is our next forex term. Broker serve like middleman between traders and then the forex market. They kind of like connect us with market. We trade through them. If you lose, you lose to them, and then if you make profit, they are going to pay you for your work. So that is the meaning of broker. They kind of like serve as middleman in trading. In forex trading, we have different brokers. We have 10 Trade, we have Oanda, we have FXCM, we have Xnest. There are many brokers. You can use anyone you want, but then they will be linked to some brokerage firm if you want to like register with them in the description of this video below. But then for these brokers to work out perfectly, they kind of like need to connect us through, they need to connect with us traders through a platform, which is our next forex term, which we call trading platform. Trading platform. So in trading, we have different trading platforms that we use to analyze and then execute trades. But the most popular one that most of traders use is MT5. MT5 is used basically for trade execution, and then we have trading view. Trading view is used to analyze charts. Once you analyze your chart on trading view, you come to your MT5 to execute your trades. Don't worry, in our next in the next part of this video, we are going to like show you with full description how to open this MT5 and trading view, register with them, and then you continue trading with any broker that you desire. You get. So continue watching this video today, and this is just like the terms and terminologies that we have in trading. Next part is going to be how to use this MT5 and trading view. So let's go on to the next one as we've explained these ones. So the next forex term that we have is pips and lot size. So in trading, pips is the smallest movement of price. When pairs are paired like that, they are going to be moving in upticks or downticks. So their movement, the smallest movement, is what is called pips. And then lot size is the measurement of value that you are going to be using to take trades. This will determine the amount of money you are going to be losing or making on any trade that you take. So in trading, we have from around 0.01 to 100 and above lot size, you get. So but this, let's use this for example. So pips and lot size, they go side by side. So this is how it works. If you use any lot size to take trade, it will be multiplied by 10. Then the result will be multiplied by any pips that you make to determine the amount of money you are going to be making or losing on that trade. So this is what I mean. So let's say you take a trade, you take a buy trade. You take a buy trade, and then on that trade it goes into your direction, and then you make around 10 pips. If you're able to make 10 pips on that trade, then the lot size that you are going to be used, the lot size that you use to take that trade will be multiplied by 10, then multiplied by the pips you make to determine the amount you are going to make on that trade or lose. So let's say on this you use one standard lot to take your trade. So 1 will be multiplied by 10. So the result is 1 times 10 is 10. Then multiplied by this 10, that will give you $100. It means if that trade goes into your direction by 10 pips, you use one lot, then the amount you are going to be making will be $100. But if it goes against you the same way, then you are going to be losing the same $100. That is it. But and let's say you use 0.10 instead. 0.10 times 10 is equals to 1 times the pips you make on that trade. Let's say times 10 again, that is $10. That is the amount you are going to be making or losing on that trade. Hope you guys understand this. If not, let us know in the comment section. Yeah. So let's go on to the next one and explain it a bit. So the next forex terms we have is slippage slash commission slash swap. So we are just going to like do these three together to round up everything. So slippage in trading is delay in execution of trades. So let's take for example, you try to buy from this place, and then your orders get executed at this point. That is what is called slippage. This happens mostly during high impact news or during overnight trading. So this is like brokers kind of like manipulating price and stuff like that. This has a lot to do with the kind of brokers that you are using to take trade. So in trading, if you try to like buy during high impact news, brokers there's delay in execution of those trades because due to fast movement of price. So if you try to buy from this point, then your orders get executed at this point. So the disadvantage of this is that most of the time the amount you intend to lose, if that trade goes into your into against you, you are going to lose more than the amount you intend to lose. And even if it goes for you, you are not going to be making up to the amount you intend to make. That is what is called slippage, and that is the disadvantage. Now, commission is like, if you take a trade, brokers will have amount of money they are going to deduct on that trade. They are going to cut some amount of money on that trade for just for you, for watching over that trade for you. That is what is called commission. Although it's not all brokers, you get, that is what is called commission. Then swap is the amount of money a broker will cut on your trade for keeping an eye on your trade overnight. If you take a trade, let's say on today, which is Tuesday, if you take a trade and then you do not close that trade until Wednesday, for watching over that trade overnight for you, your broker will have to deduct some money on that trade. That is what is regarded, that is what is known as swap. And all these three, it depends on the kind of broker that you use to take trades. So there is a link to the brokerage firm that we use in the description of this video below. If you want to open an account with them, hit them up and open an account with them. So since we are done with this, the next one we have is leverage in trading. Leverage. So what leverage means in trading is more like brokers trying to borrow traders money. So if there are different leverages in trading. Some offer from around one, it all depends on the broker that you choose. Some offer 1:100, some even up to 1 unlimited and stuff like that. So what this means is, if you choose 1:100, the amount of money that you deposited into your brokerage account will be multiplied times 100. That will determine the amount of lot that you are going to use, that will be allowed for you to use on that trading account. You get. But for better understanding of leverage, because I don't know how to explain leverage perfectly well in this short video, for better understanding of it, we have a full video on it. The link to that will be in the description of this video below. Kindly watch it before you come back to this concluding part of this video, then you understand everything better. So let's just move on straight to the next part of this video, and
Now the third part of this video is Forex apps and how to use them correctly. In Forex trading, we have three different apps that we use. First one is TradingView, second one is MetaTrader 5 MT5, and lastly we have Forex Factory. And this TradingView is used to analyze the market, it's used for market analysis, and MT5 is used to execute trades for market execution. And lastly, Forex Factory is used to check Forex news and time session. We don't want to explain this further, instead we'll be describing it, and with this description you'll be able to understand it very fast and better.
So this part is going to cover how to open a trading account, maybe live or demo account. So if you come up here to our YouTube channel, you go to our profile, then you click on the links. We have links on our YouTube channel, the link that we used, like our social links and other stuff. So come to this one. This is a broker, prop firm, and all of that. So click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to their site. This is 10 trade, you get. So let's see. So this is their site. So like this, you are just going to input your information. I want to register as a client, you get. Then
so I've already input all the information that they need. So what next is confirm this, and then we continue. Let's see what it take us next, and then let's follow the process. So wait. Yeah, so here is their site. Now we have been able to access it. Now if you come here, you see this is open demo account, then this one is open live account, then you deposit funds. But for you to be able to open a live account,
you are going to first click here. So if you click here, they will take you to this place. Once you click here like this, wait, then they are going to take you to where you are going to like input your what is it called, your verification, like your proof of address, and then your NIN, your ID card to, okay, yeah, they have already done that. If you come here, yes, you see it here, I've confirmed. If you have confirmed already, understand this, confirm this, then confirm this as well. If you press continue, see what will happen next. So with this, if you come below, okay, still click on that what is it called, this. If you click on this, then your profile will be like verified. Then you are going to like input your proof of address, and then you also input your proof of ID, and then your proof of address. Proof of ID is like your NIN, and then your proof of address is something that will verify to them that where you stay is exactly what you like input. You get something like put here, and this one is NIN. So let's not go to that. Let's open a demo account, because as a beginner you are first going to like start with a demo account to practice first. Click on open demo account. With this one, you don't really need to input your proof of address and stuff like that first. So with this, you are going to select account type, and I'm coming demo MT5. You are using demo MT5. Okay, this is how it looks. So demo MT5, the leverage is 1 of 500, then the currency is USD. This is $1,000. You can change it to any account size you want. Let's say a 10k is okay for a beginner. So you press on continue. So if you press on continue, see what's here. With this, you can see this account type is demo MT5, leverage 1 of 500, $10,000 account, and then you still press continue. Then your account 730 has been successfully created. Now what next? You are going to input this information on MT5. So that's what we are going to do now, and then we have access to our demo account that we'll be using to like trade, to first practice. After that, we'll still come up here and explain 1 or 2 things to you about this broker. So let me pause this and try to input this on my MT5. So for you to input that your demo account successfully, go to your email that you used to like input that you used to open the information on 10trade. Then the information will be already be sent to your email, and then from there you copy the login. No, you copy the login first, copy, then go to your MT5, and then on your MT5 click on new account, come here, type 10trade, and this is it. So just tap on it and paste the login, go to your password as well, and then copy the password as well, come here as well, put the password, and that's it. Then click on sign in, and then let's see. Yeah, this is the account. This is the demo account that I'll be using to trade. If I want to like trade, you can see you add any currency you want, and then you place your trade with 10trade. So let's show you other things that 10trade offer. So now that we have successfully logged in our demo account, let's show you how to get a prop account with 10trade. Prop account, you can do your research on what is prop account, and then you know what it is. So click on it, and then you'll be taken to their site directly. Then once you are here, you log in your profile that you've already opened with the link that you click from our YouTube channel. If you log in with that, then you come down a little bit. I don't want to like log in, so let's come down a little bit, and then you see what they offer. If you want to open a brokerage account, you can open a Pro Plus, ECN, and all of that. Then if you want a funded account like a prop firm, this is their prop account. We have instant challenge, they have evaluation 10 express, they have evaluation 10 freedom. This one is one what is it called, one phase, two phase, and comparison of funded accounts. So let's access their instant funding account and let's see what they offer there. Just going to treat this and then end it here. So see what's the account sizes. This is the account sizes that they have from $1,000, 3K, 10K to 500K. So you can start little and scale up to 500K. This is what they offer. This is instant account, instant funded account. And then see the price, see the information here, the drawdown and all of that. Their rule is very great. Then let's check the price for the 1K is $43. Since it's instant funding account, you're not going to be passing the challenge. This is it, $43 registration fee. 43 for the 3K 110. For the 10K we have $330 here. So for any account sizes you want, for the 500K, this is $11,000 to get it. So this is their profile and everything. So once you access 10 trade, you can do anything you want. Open a demo account, a brokerage account, or you get a prop firm for yourself. 10 trade is the best. You can use it. The link is already pinned the way we just explained.
So this is trading view, and this is the site you use to like analyze your chart before you go onto your MT5 and then you place a trade. So let's say this is how it looks, trading view. So if you come up here, you are going to like sign up but for this one we already signed up, and you can see it here. We can decide to like sign out and then we input another trading account. But if you can see it here, the twins trader, this is our account with trading view. You can change it from dark theme to white theme. You can see it's now white theme, but we prefer the dark theme because of the brightness you get, because we are going to like use it for a long time, so we prefer the dark theme. And you can, this is drawing panel. For this one, if you click it, all this drawing tool that is here, it has already gone. So if you like input it again, you see all this drawing tool here. Now if you still come up here, you can see it, help center. If you click it, come here. If you have any difficulty with anything on trading view, just type it here, and then trading view itself will like tell you how you can do it. It's very simple. So since let's explain other things. Okay, let's still come here and see if we can still help center, home. We are done with that. So up here again, this is the pair that we are trading. You can see it, gold. If you want to search for another pair, you can just click it, then you search. Let's say USD CHF, that's currency pair. Then you click it. Any broker that you want, you click it, but we prefer forex.com because of their price. So once you click it, this is USD CHF pair, and it's been long since we traded on this pair, so don't really know anything much about it. Then if you come, okay, let's start explaining from here. So if you come here, you see it, charts, news. If there's any news events, this is now technical analysis of other traders. If you click it, trading view will help you with other people analysis and stuff like that. Now if you come here, you can see all this time frame. These are the time frame that we basically use to trade. If you want to add your own time frame, you just click here. There's this arrow here, click on it, and then you see other time frames from 1 tick to around 1 month time frame. Anyone you want, if you click on it, then you star it, click on the star. Once you star it, you see it appear up here, so that's like your favorite time frame that you know that you'll be using frequently. We don't really use 2 minutes time frame, so I'm still going to unstar it again like this, and that's it. So from, okay, this is time frame, this one is line chart, this is like this one is bar chart, and this one is candlesticks. If you want to change to any other charts, see it here. There are many charts here, but the most popular one, these are the ones that are okay. You see it, they are already started. This is bar chart, candlesticks, then we have line chart. From there we have indicators, any indicator you want to use, but we don't use indicators to trade, so we don't really know anything much about indicators. Then if you come up here again, this one is not really necessary. Then you come here, this is alert. If you want to add alert on your chart, you type in the price you want, you type, okay, here, this is the price. you type it there. Once you type it and everything, then the alert will just, you click on create. Once you create the alert, it will pop up on your screen, and then once price cross over it, you get a notification on your device. So what we have next is this one, which is replay tool. So if you click on this replay tool, this is where you cut your chart and then you replay it for backtesting. But for this one, because we haven't subscribed to this account, we can't use the replay tool. As you can see, they are asking us to like subscribe to it, so we can't use it. Now to the next one, these two arrow that you see up here, this two arrow is redo and undo arrow. So what this means is, if I click this trend line and then I plot it and then I want to undo it, I can just tap this undo button, tap it, then you can see it. Then if I want to redo it again, I click on the arrow again and then you can see it once again. If I click on the buying and selling stuff, then I want to like undo it, I can just click on this instead of deleting it and then click on it again to redo it. That's what these tools are used for. So this ones that you are seeing up here, I can drag it from there to anywhere I want. So this is my starred tools. These are the tools that I want to like use regularly, so I've already started them. If you come up here, how do you do this? If you come up here to the first settings, you see here, you click on any tool that you know that you'll be using regularly, you just start it. If you click on it, the Fibonacci tool, there are many Fibonacci, so you are going to double click it and then they will bring it many Fibonacci, but then you click on the one you want. This one is Fibonacci retracement. If you click on this one, you can start it, any tool you want. If like any tool that you want at all, just keep on tapping on this one, then they will bring it out in multiple, and then you start the one you want. These are the one that you'll be using for analysis. That's why we just start it here. So once you already start it, then you can come up here and then the drawing panels, you undo it, then you see that everywhere is clean, there's nothing there again. That's that about that one. Then what we have next is this one. I don't really know about this, but I don't think it's even necessary. Then this is what, like, this is settings, symbol and stuff like that, a lot. This is settings. Then for this one, what we have next here is okay, so what we have next here is if I want to widen this screen so that everything here will go on, unless this start to, I can just tap on this. If I tap it, then you see that everything is now wide, there's nothing there again. That means I'm done with my analysis. I just want to like watch the screen, then I'll place my trade. Then if I want to redo it, I can just, on the keyboard, I'll press the ESK button, ESC. If I click it, everything will pop up again. That's that. So that's about that. Then from this point, if you click here, you can add your pairs that you want to trade. Click on this plus button up here. If you click on it, you click on any pair you want. Let's say BTC USD. You click on the plus button here. Once you click on it, you see it has appeared here. This formerly we trade only good, and then DXY for just analysis. Then this BTC USD, we've already added it. If you want to delete it again, click on the bin button in the front, click on it, then you've already deleted it. Then and just click on it again. That's basically how to use trading view for analysis and to take trade. It's not really stressful, it's not really difficult. And if in case you don't understand anything, just come up here and then go to the help center, you ask your question, trading view will answer you themselves. You get, it's very easy to use. Okay, so now that we are done with this trading view, let's go on to the next trading app we use as traders. That is Forex Factory. So Forex Factory, we use it to like check daily trading news, like fundamental analysis, and also time session, Forex time session. You can just you already have it here, but just in case you don't have it, just type it there, Forex Factory. Forex Factory, you can already, oh, this is it, Forex Factory. Forex Factory, this is Forex Factory. So basically this is how to use Forex Factory. It's very, very simple. Once you come here down to the downside, you'll see what is it called, this is To the downside, you can see it here, sections. This is how to use Forex sections. You see it Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. On the one that this green line is at currently, that is the time session that you are, regardless of any country that you are. If you log into your what is it called, Forex Factory, it will tell you directly. Everything is very easy to use on Forex Factory. And then up here you see the news that we have today. Today is January 2. So these are the news we have today. There is no much news because of holidays and stuff like that. If it's a normal trading day, you see red impact news, many news like that. You can edit your what is it called, Forex Factory, like this as well. It's very simple to edit. If you click on anything you want, okay, let's say I want to edit the dates. So if you click on the date like that, you go on to which day do you, this is December 27, 2025. Just tap here. This is January 26, January 2026. Just click on today. Today is Friday and today is on the 2nd. Any day you want, then you click on apply settings, then you see the news for that day. That is how to edit Forex Factory. Then you come up here, you see it here, time. You can click it and then you change it to any time session you want for your analysis. You can change it to New York time. For this one, it is Eastern time, which is New York time, because we mostly use New York and stuff to analyze our chart. So you can type any time you want, you click it there. If it is African time, if it is any time you want at all, you just type it there. But for us, we are going to leave it the way it is. So you can still filter it so that it's only red impact news that you want. If it's only red impact news that you want, you click on this filter. If you click on it, you can just undo all these other news and then leave only red impact news. That means it's only red impact news that you want. Red impact news are the news that has high probability of affecting price. For today, there's no red impact news, so there's no news at all. So if you click on it again, you can which currency do you want, which news do you want, like for which currency. If I undo all this currency and leave only USD, it means I want only news from USD. And then which kind of news do you want? Is it inflation news, growth, anything, any news you want? Just edit everything here. That is how to do it. And then once you're done with your editing, you then click on apply filter and then you see everything there. And this is for time session. You get time session. It's very easy. And if you do not understand how time session works, we already have a video on it. The link to that will be in the description of this video. So the third app we used to analyze, we used for trading, is MT5. That one is for trade execution. We are going to use that with TradingView, and let's get straight into that. Okay, so this is MT5 right here, and what we basically use MT5 for is to place trade. So before you place trade on MT5, you want to analyze your chart on TradingView and probably Forex Factory for daily news. Once you know that there's no news and stuff like that, you just come to your Forex Factory, your TradingView, and then you want to place your trade. This is your MT5. So this is gold. So if you look at gold from 1 hour time frame, I think it's still in a downtrend after this break with this breaking this support. So this is resistance, and then gold is resisting from there, from this 15 minutes time frame. Although this is not the way we trade, but just for this video. So if you come up here, this is our prop account, so we are not going to be taking this trade there. Let's just go to a demo account that we have. This is a demo account. It's demo account, as you can see it here, demo account. So on this demo account, let's say I want to enter this trade with $100. The first thing I want to do is I want to sell. That is my aim. So I want to sell. I put this sell measurement there, put it here so that I can know my risk ratio, reward, and where to put my stop loss. Then I put this take profit. Let's say take profit all the way down here, and then my stop loss is around this place. That is me analyzing my charts on gold. So now that I'm done with my analysis, I need to place this trade on my MT5. It's going to be very simple. So just click on this button up here. Once we click on it, then this will pop up. You click on this, then we want to enter for a sell immediately. That's instant execution, market execution. Then if you click on it, then you will bring this line
you see here, you bring it to where you put your stop loss, and then you can know your price. This is 4406.69. Then you place on add stop loss, put it 4406.69.69. That's my stop loss. Then my take profit as well. Take profit is below here. You can see 4284. Okay, take profit 4284, 4284.40. That's my take profit. And then using the 0.01, the risk here is $15. So I need to like change this. Let's say I want to risk $100, then I have to like 0.5, this is 80, 0.06, $98. With that, I can just enter immediately for a sell. And once I do that, everything is just there already. My stop loss is there, my take profit is there already. That's how to enter a trade on MT5, as easy as that. Here on MT5, this is where you get to like see your currency pairs that you already have there. And if you want to add other pair, you can click on it. Once you click on it, just type the pair. Let's say USD CHF. Click on it, cancel. You can see it here. This is quote. Once you come to quote, you can add any currency pair, you can add it here, and you can still delete it by swiping like this. No, sorry, you can delete it. Come here, swipe it like this, and then you press this bin button, then it's already deleted. This trade is where you are going to see the trade that you enter. You can see it here, this gold trade that we just entered. Here is it here. And history, this is history of this trading account, as you can see it here. Withdrawal, deposit, profit. So this is the withdrawal of, this is the history of this account. You just use it to take trade anyhow you want. So this is the demo account, and then you can see it here for testing MT5 trial. Now you can see it's a demo account, and we have our prop account here. This is our own prop account. This is our prop account, but still in a profit. We haven't passed the challenges. So that's just it about how to enter trade on MT5. That's how to use trading apps to trade. So let's go on to the next part of this video.
Now to the fourth part, which is how to analyze the market. When it comes to market analysis, we have two methods of doing that. We have fundamental and technical analysis. And fundamental analysis is using economic data like unemployment rate, inflation, interest rates, and so on and so forth to predict the price movements. And when it comes to technical analysis, it's using historical data to predict the future price movement. That is, try to study what has happened in the past to predict what will happen in the future. And this is what most traders use. And in this technical analysis, we are going to be focusing on two main things, which are market structure and key levels. And market structure is used to determine the trend of the market, that is, when you are supposed to buy or when you are supposed to sell. So in this concept, we'll be using the board for the description of it for better understanding. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in.
So let's start with the description of how to analyze your chart technically. So the first thing that you need to understand when trying to analyze your chart technically is market structure. That's the foundation of technical analysis, market structure. Although there are different trading concepts, and then these different concepts teach different market structure system, but for this one is the basic market structure system, which is price action market structure system. So for this one, we have uptrend, we have downtrend, and then we have a ranging market. So in an uptrend, price moves like this. So once you open your chart, the first thing you want to understand is what is the structure of this market. Once you figure out that structure, that is when you know, okay, I want to buy, or I want to sell, or I want to stay off the chart. For uptrend, this is called higher low, and this is higher high. This is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it goes on like that. You get? So where do you want to buy from? You want to like buy from this point, you buy from this point, you buy from this point, you buy from this point, and then you keep on riding it up. But how do you know when to buy? That is when your strategy comes in. This is not strategy, this is just analysis, but your analysis comes first before your strategy. So this is uptrending market, uptrending market. So the second one we have is ranging market. For ranging market, price moves like this: goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, and this is known as resistance. Then this is support. You are supposed to be buying from here, and then you are going to be selling from here. Then how do you know you want to sell or buy? It all depends on your trading strategy, which we are still going to be talking about in other parts. So just stick around and watch the video to the end, then you will understand everything perfectly well. Then we have the downtrending market. Downtrending market comes down like this. In a downtrending market, you want to be selling from these highs like this, and this is known as lower high, and then lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you're supposed to be selling from these lower highs. This is where you're supposed to be selling from. But how do you know you are going to be selling? That all depends on your trading strategy, which we are still going to be discussing. So, and the next trading structure that we have is choppy market. For that one, you don't really need to stress yourself about that. That goes like this: once you open your chart and then you do not really understand, you do not see any of these trades, then don't even bother trading at all. This one, it goes like this, just in a very rough manner. When price is just in a rough manner, whereby you don't even know if it's going up, coming down, or ranging, the best thing you need to do is to like stay off the chart at all. So let's do the second way of analyzing the chart, which you see, which we call key level, knowing your key levels in price. So when it comes to knowing your key levels, what key levels really mean is, if price is going up like this in an uptrend, there will be a point that price will have high probability of reversing and then start coming down. Mostly price reverses at key levels. Key levels is as a result of where price has rejected from formerly, and then when it tends to get to that place in the future, it tends to reverse from there. So we have also in an up in this one is an uptrend, right? We have as well in a downtrend. If price is coming down like this, then it gets to a point and then change structure to the upside. Mostly this structure is a zone that has formerly been created in the past. That's what is known as technical analysis, using price in former past information to like analyze the future. So when price mostly taps into it, it tends to like change structure and goes to the upside. So basically we are going to like use our chart, to bring out some examples of this, then you'll be able to understand it better. So let's just go on to the chart and then we conclude this part. Okay, so this is our chart. Let's show you how to like analyze your chart. So once you first log in, the first thing you want to know is, what is price saying? Like, what's the structure? So let's take a look at gold from this point. This candle, like here, it comes up, break above all this resistance, then let's see, it goes up like this. Then from this point here, there is a pullback to the downside. Then the uptrend continue again. I want to like enlarge this again. Okay, it comes down, it goes up again, it comes down, goes up again, then before this come and break this to the downside like this. So as traders, what you need to like try to understand is, where do you want to buy from? That is your strategy. But first of all, you need to understand the structure. So if you are to like understand this structure perfectly well, after breaking that resistance, which is like from this point, right, it pulled back. After this pullback, there's big run to the upside. There's a pullback, like okay, this pullback, then the trend continues going up, then this pullback again. This point is where you want to like try to figure out where do you want to buy from. As you can see with this description, you see that it's as exactly as what I've analyzed, what I've described on the board. But then if you do not look at it like that, it is kind of a little bit messy. So after breaking this low, this is where you know that okay, gold is now in a downtrend, and then all you need to like, all you want to do is okay, I want to continue selling. You can see that after going up a little bit, the sell continues up. After going up a little bit, the sell still continues to the downside. Now it has pulled back again to the upside, and I think it's now time for it to continue selling. That's how it's going to like move until it has broken above this resistance. This resistance you can see here. Until it breaks above it, is still in a downtrend. So that is how to analyze your chart. So that's the first thing you want to like figure out. And as you can see here, it's kind of a little bit growing here till it breaks above with this candle. That is how to analyze chart. It's as simple as that. So we are going to like move on to the next part. We don't really want to like want this video to be too long. What you are going to do for yourself is to try and figure this out by practicing on your own. And if you do not understand, you can reach out to us with our WhatsApp contact in profile, in our profile here on YouTube. You can reach out to us, we'll help you out as well. So let's move on to the next part. So to the sixth part of this video, which is trading strategies and trading concepts. In forex trading, there are many trading strategies and also many trading concepts, but then the most popular trading concept is price action trading, SMC trading, and also ICT trading. So under this concept, then we have many other strategies like price action trading. There is trend line, support and resistance, breakout, and many other strategies like that. Then under SMC concept, there is breakers block, order block trading, SLP, structural liquidity and POI, and many other more strategies. And then under ICT trading, there are strategies like liquidity. Their main focus is on liquidity and also fair value gaps. You get, so your own job is to like do your own research as well, and then choose the one that works out for you best, because there are lots of them and then almost all of them work. It all depends on how it works for you. So your own is to do your own research and then see the one that works out for you, because we can't be teaching all the strategies in this video, and also we don't even know all those strategies. So if you have watched this video to this part, it shows that you are actually really serious about learning trading, because it's not everyone that will watch it to this part. So we urge you to like use the link below to join a Telegram community whereby you have other traders from around the world come together, share trading ideas and tips. It's not a signal group, it's not a mentorship group, but then you can share your own idea. If you have a trade setup, you share it there, they will correct you and stuff like that. Share prop tips, share trading updates, and everything at all. There will be the link to that in the description of this video. We open it purposely for beginners as well, so the link to that is also in the description. There are people there already that are sharing trading tips, trading ideas every day. Join them and let's keep growing.
One of the key components of forex trading is risk management, and that is the only way to protect your capital. Even though you have good strategy and psychology but lack good risk management, the chances of you being consistently profitable is very, very narrow. And risk management is risking defined amount of your trading capital on every setup consistently, and the percentage doesn't really matter. And all of this depends on the trader's risk appetite, and it has to be consistent. And pros advice is you risking 0.5% to 2% per trade, which is very good. But in this video, we will be going with 1%, which we think is the best. So for you to understand everything better, we are going to do a description of it all for you. First one, it will be on the board, description of it on the board so that you can understand better. And the other one is we will go with our system where we do take a trade for better description. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of the day, you get to understand everything perfectly well. So let's dive in. But before we do that, subscribe.
So now the topic is risk management. So according to what my twin brother already said, we are going to be using 1% for the description of this video. So as a trader, you must have a trading capital, like the amount of money that you want to trade. Let's say for this video, we are going to be using $10,000 capital. Let's say a prop account, $10,000. You have a $10,000 prop account, and then you want to risk 1% per trade. 1% of $10,000 is equal to $100, which means on every single trade I want to take, you only want to risk $100, nothing more than that. You get, just in case you have a bigger account, or let's say a lesser account, then you find it difficult to calculate your risk, just type it to Google. What's the 1% of any account size that you have, and Google will help you with the result. So 1% of $10,000 for this video will be $100. There is nothing more to do here on the board. The full description, full explanation will be us doing it with our mobile phone MT5, and then we enter trade with $100 and a $10,000 capital, because we've already opened a demo account, a $10,000 demo account already. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go to our screen, and then we take a trade with $100, do analysis of a trade, and then we are going to take it with $100, because on the MT5 we already have a $10,000 demo account for the description of this video. So let's just go straight to it and complete everything. So as you guys can see, this is a $10,000 account, and then see it here, this is for testing. So we are going to be using this to take a trade right now, and we are going to be risking only $100. So this is gold, and let's say for example we want to buy. We didn't analyze this, just for this, for the description of this. So if you want to buy exactly from where price is, and then take profit is above, you want to buy from here, our stop loss below the support level. Let's say this stop loss, now you want to know the price of the stop loss, trace it to this place. This is 4,302.12. that is all you need to know. Now come to your MT5, you want to like take trade using this, you want to use it to take trade. You want to enter exactly where price is, then your stop loss is 4,302.12, and you want to risk $100 per trade. Tap on this icon, this one you see in here, tap on it. Once you tap on it, the first thing is this will pop up below the screen. Tap here, take it to market execution. You see, this is market execution. We have buy limit, sell limit, orders. You get, so we want to buy we want to buy directly. So just tap on market execution. You get, so you tap on add stop levels. You see it here, add stops level. Then this one is stop loss. Press it. What's the stop loss? The stop loss is 4,302 point. Now let's see. The stop loss is 4,302.53. 4,302.53. That is the stop loss. Now you see this place, there is something here we call, this is volume. This volume is also known as like stop loss, like lot size, which is 0.61 here. Take a look at this line, this here, we see it here, minus 969. It is reading 900. Now you do not want to use 0.61 because that's $900. Now you tap on it, and then you change it. You change this lot size. You keep on changing it, change it to like 0.06, because 0.6. okay, let's say 0.1. Let's check 0.1. You see it here, this is $150. Still you change it again, 0.04. this is 60. Now it is too low. You want to let it go up little, 0.60. this is 92. Let's use 0.7. let's see. This is 106, 107. We can just use 0.06. That is better. This is $90. You get. So if I buy immediately now and then I want to put I will put my stop loss, then it means I'm risking only $90 on this trade. Take a look at it. The amount of money I'm risking on this trade is what? Is 80 minus $88. If you can see it clearly, that is how to calculate your risk management in Forex. It's very simple. So I just bought gold using the 0. What is the loss size I use? 0.06, and then I'm risking around $100. That is it. So just let this trade play out. You get. That is how to like calculate your risk management using lot size risk management in trading. That is how simple as it is. First thing, you know your trading capital. You know the percentage you want to be risking per trade. Let's say 1% or 2%. Once you know that, that's the first thing. Once you know that, then follow this exact system that I just showed you here. Go to your trading view, analyze your chart, your stop loss, know where you want to put your stop loss. Then once you know where you want to put your stop loss, then you enter the trade by tapping here. Once you tap it, tap on this arrow to the upside. Once you tap it, we have it market execution, buy limit, different you get. So market execution is like you want to enter the trade straight directly, then you press on add stop loss, then go to your trading view. The stop loss that you see there, just input it there. Once you input it, the money that you are supposed to lose will be popping up here, and then you change your lot size until it is around $100. You approximate it to $100. You get. Then you enter the trade directly. That is how simple. That is it. Very, very simple. You get. I hope this video is very clear, and if not, please just let us know in the comment section. Let us know your difficulty in the comment section. We can still come up again and then do a better video. You get. And if you enjoyed this, drop a like so that it can reach out to other viewers. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel as well. This will help us grow and it won't really cost you anything.
Now to the last part of this video, which is trading psychology. Having stable psychology in trading deals with a lot of experiences, so the cheat code is to keep practicing, but also with some little stuff that will help out, like having winning strategy and also another means of income to get money, so that you can use it to support your trading, because trading requires money. And also to read trading books like Trading in the Zone and so on and so forth. So with all this, we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question bothering you regarding to this video, everything you need to know about trading, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. We'll do it to answer them all. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share. So also we have our Telegram group where we share our daily tips. So the link will be in the description below. You can use it to join our Telegram channel. So trade safe and peace out.